Hello, my name is Chris Johnson, and I'm going to explain a few things about the Deaf Empowerment Symposium on October 12th. There will be two different sessions. Breakfast will be provided free to participants. Understand that you must register before September 27th. Once you've registered, you'll get your meals provided for free. The first workshop is from 8 to 11:30. Then from 11:30 to 12:30, lunch will be provided. The next workshop will start and go from 1 to 4. Afterwards, we will have a banquet provided. Keep in mind that if any accommodations are needed, please request those 2 weeks before conference. Thank you, and hope to see you there.